As a landscape professional, your time is valuable and often limited. Any opportunity you can find to help manage your time more efficiently is an opportunity to save money. One way to do this has been introduced through advances in irrigation controller technology. With an internet connection and an app on a computer or mobile device, there are now several smart irrigation controllers on the market that let a user manage controller functions without having to be on site. This allows irrigation professionals to program new installs, adjust zones and watering schedules, or handle initial troubleshooting on existing systems from the convenience of their vehicle or office. One example of these controllers is the Rachio Pro. The Rachio Pro connects to the internet through a home Wi-Fi network, allowing it to retrieve real-time data from local weather stations. The controller uses this data, along with information about the landscape and irrigation system, to make intelligent decisions on when and how much to water. This connection to the internet also makes it possible for homeowners to share controller access with their irrigation professional. After the controller has been installed, the customer can then download the iOS or Android Rachio app to their phone or tablet. Using the app, they will go through the initial setup and registration process to add the controller to their home network. Once this is done, they can then give their irrigation professional shared access to the controller for programming and future management. There are two access options available for the Rachio Pro: limited and complete. Limited access allows a shared user to use a web browser to remotely turn zones on and off through the Rachio Pro. They will not be able to alter other controller functions and settings. Limited access also lets the customer set an expiration date on the shared user's login. It's important to note that shared users with complete access also have the ability to provide limited access to others. This feature provides a layer of security, since it allows the irrigation professional to give individual employees limited, time-restricted access without compromising their complete access login credentials. Complete access allows the shared user to make changes to all functions of the Rachio Pro, except for the customer's account and network settings. Be aware that complete access also requires the new shared user to have the Rachio app installed and have a registered account. When sharing complete access, the customer will need to use the same email address associated with the new shared user's Rachio account. There is no time limitation for users with complete access, so the customer must manually revoke these privileges using the Rachio app. For contractors managing multiple Rachio Pro controllers, when registering your account, it's a good idea to use a unique email address specifically for these customers. This way, only one login is required to access all of your Rachio customer accounts. If you'd like more information on the Rachio Pro or other Wi-Fi enabled smart controllers, stop into your local Ewing branch or visit us online at ewingirrigation.com.